MAXX-D was born in 1999 in a small shop across the street from where we are today. Combined with this main plant and our other plant, we're at 500,000 square feet of manufacturing space. We are a start to finish manufacturer of trailers. A lot of our trailers go to contractors, oil field, ag. When I started working here, we had some growth goals, and with growing, we had to have more cutting capacity. At the time, we had 2 other flat lasers. Unfortunately, we were experiencing a little bit of downtime with those and found ourselves outsourcing more. And so we saw the need that we needed to invest in a different cutting solution. That's when we started doing the research. But with our demand, we had to keep in mind the automation. We talked to multiple other manufacturers, and they said they would never set up a laser without automation. And so when we started talking to Mazak, they told us that we could run our Mazak basically overnight, unsupervised, and we were very intrigued with that because it supported our mission. We think that parents need to be at home with their children at night, and so we don't want to have a night shift. That solved that portion of it, and we've been very excited ever since we got that. So when we started doing our due diligence, we visited Mazak and some other competitors. We went to the customer service center, and the orange support was impressive. But then when I started talking to other manufacturers that we do business with, what I was told is Mazak is the first one to be back up and running if we have a downtime. They're the first one to have techs on site. And so that was a critical component to that. And the other thing that I heard was Mazak has their automation figured out better than anybody else. And that's ultimately why we made the purchase. So we ended up buying a Mazak 3015 Neo 15 kilowatt flat sheet laser combined with the easy compact automation tower. We started getting communication from Mazak day one. So we felt like we were very prepared to receive this equipment. By the time the machine arrived, things went really flawlessly. We sent 2 operators to train in Chicago area at Mazak. The operators said that was a very necessary training that they did, and they felt comfortable. They did the automation training here on site as well, and so overall, I wouldn't say that we've had any lack of training. Since we've had that laser installed, we've been very impressed with the speed and the quality of the cuts, and ultimately, we're cutting more parts in-house. We don't have to outsource as much. On average per week, the Mazak is cutting close to 11,000 parts, which is the same amount as 2 other plate lasers and a plasma table combined. So very impressive. Our operator typically leaves by 1 or 2 p.m. and the automation laser stay running for hours. We can run that unsupervised cutting parts, and it's been great for us. We're currently looking at adding more plants in the future, and we've actually started the quoting process for the similar setup that we have here for phase 1 and a tube laser for phase 2. I would say we have a good partnership with Mazak.